Hey friends, Miss Cardenas is back with another math lesson. Today we will be subitizing and comparing. What's that you say? Those are some strange words, huh? Well, what it means is today we're going to be identifying objects without counting and comparing to see which set has more, which set has fewer, and which set has the same. So we are going to subitize and compare up to the number 4. But before we get started, let's go over some vocabulary words for today's lesson. The first word is subitizing. And remember, that just means to identify how many without counting. Look at my dominoes. If I looked at these right here, I would automatically know that that is 3. I didn't have to count 1, 2, 3. I automatically knew it was 3. How many on this side? Good. 1. How many up here? 2. Great job. We didn't even have to count. So that is subitizing, identifying how many without counting. And counting is just using our numbers to see how many. All right, when we compare, we're going to see which one has fewer. And fewer just means less. Look at my dots. I have 1 yellow dot and 5 red. I have less or fewer yellow dots in this picture. Fewer means less. And then the word less, when you get to kindergarten in first grade, you're going to learn all about this cool alligator who loves to eat, and he always eats the bigger set. So this is greater than, and this is less than. But you'll learn that when you get to kindergarten and first grade. The next word is greater. That just means more. Just like on this one, more. Now I have 1 red dot and 5 yellow dots. Which one do I have more of? That's right, I have more yellow. It's a greater amount, and less is a smaller amount. And then the next word is the same. The same means just the same. I have 1 lion on this side and 1 lion on that side. That is the same. And then the last word is column. And all the column is a vertical line that goes straight up and down. Today, when we compare our objects, we are going to use columns. All right, friends, when Miss Cardenas subitizes, I love to use dice. Now, if you're familiar with dice and dominoes, you know that each side has a dot or more than 1 dot. And then you just have to know. So let's look at this die. 1 dice is called a die. This is 6. That one's hard. We can count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if I ask you how many is on this side, how many do you see? That's right, only 1. We didn't even have to count it. We automatically knew that that was 1. Are you ready? How many on this side? That's right, friends, it's 3. We didn't have to count. We automatically knew that it was 1, 2, 3. Ready for the next one? How many? Great job, friends. It is 2. 2 dots right there. We didn't have to count. We automatically knew that it was 2. And then the last one, where is it? Bam! How many dots do you see? That's right, friends, 4 dots. We didn't have to count. We know that every time you see this pattern on a pair of dice, it's always number 4. Very good subitizing, friends. If you have some dice at home, you can practice subitizing, identifying how many without counting. All right, friends, so today we're going to compare our numbers 1 through 4. All right, Are you ready? You might want to close your eyes. Open them. How many yellow dots do you see? That's right, friends. It's 2 yellow dots. All right, now I'm going to add some red dots. All right, how many red dots do you see? Good, it's 4. Let's check to make sure. We'll check our yellow dots and our red dots. Let's check the yellow ones first. Ready? 1, 2. Did you guess that there was only 2 yellow dots? Great job, friends. Now let's double check our red dots. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the question is, do I have more red dots or yellow dots? If you said red dots, that is correct. And I'm going to show you how we see if it's really more. All right, I'm going to scoot them over a little bit. Now watch. We are going to partner up my dots to see who has a partner. And as long as they have a partner, that is the same. When you run out of partners, that shows you more and less. Okay, so here's this red dot, and I'm going to go across. Does he have a partner? Yes. 1 red dot, 1 yellow dot. Now let's go see if this one has a partner. Does he have a partner? Yes. Red, yellow. Uh-oh. Look at this one. Does he have a partner? No, he doesn't have a yellow partner. So I have more red than yellow. Because look, these 2 circles don't have a partner. So I have 2 more red dots than yellow dots. Very good, friends. You ready to try it again? Let me erase my lines. All right, friends. Are you ready? How many blue dots? How many? 3. Great job, friends. How many yellow? Just 1. Very good. Now we're going to compare to see which has more and which has less. So we're going to partner them up. Are you ready? Let's look at this blue dot. Does it have a yellow partner? Yep, it sure does. Now let's look at this blue dot. Does he have a yellow partner? No, no yellow partner. And neither does this blue dot. So we know that we have more blue than yellow. Great job, friends. You are so good at this game. All right, we're going to try one more way. One more time. Are you ready? You might want to close your eyes so you don't count my dots. How many red dots? That's right. There are 4 red dots. You didn't even have to count. This one's going to be kind of tricky. All right, friends. How many yellow dots? That's right. 3 yellow dots. Now, do you know which one has more and which one has less? Good job. Good job. You're so smart at this. All right, so let's partner them up and see if we really have more red than yellow. Let's see. Does this red one have a yellow partner? Yep, sure does. Let's look at this one. Does this one have a partner? Yep, sure does. And then let's look at this red one. Does he have a yellow partner? Yes. But look at this one right here. Uh-oh. Does he have a yellow partner? No yellow partner. So we know that we have 1 more red than yellow. So if you said more red, great job. All right, are you ready for me to trick your brains? All right, put your thinking cap on and turn it on because this one's going to be a trickster. I'm going to erase my lines. Take my circles down. All right. Are you ready? Okay, friends. How many red circles do I have? Great job. 3. You automatically knew that was 3. You didn't have to count anything. Now, how many blue circles do I have? That's right. 3 red and 3 blue. Let me think. Do I have more red circles or more blue circles? Trick question. Let's look to find out. Let's see if they have partners. Ready? Does this red circle have a blue partner? Yes, great job. All right, does this red circle have a blue partner? Sure does. And the last one, does this red circle have a partner? Yes, so guess what? It is the same number. 3 is equal to 3. They are the same. I have the same number of red dots, then blue. Great job subitizing and comparing today, friends. So here's what I want you to do today. I want you to find some toys, and I want you to compare to see how many you have without counting. Do you have more cars than baby dolls? Do you have more action figures than teddy bears? I don't know. So don't forget, take a picture of your work and send it to your teacher so we can see all of your hard work. I want you to count and compare how many toys you have in your room. Have fun counting and subitizing.